Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Just Eat app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, we need to go to our Player App Store and search for Just Eat food delivery app by Just Eat Holding Limited. So make sure you get the correct one, download and install it. Then from there, we're going to be taken to the home screen here. But if you don't, you might get an intro that will say that just tells you a little bit about the app, and then from there sign up or sign into your account. Now that once we've done that, we need to put in your delivery address. As you can see, I'll put mine in here. Now from here we can go ahead and search for what we want to go ahead and order. So on the main screen here of home, we can go ahead and browse by different categories. So below here we got restaurants, groceries, health and beauty, alcohol, convenience, specialty, gifts, electronics. You can find your flavor. So if you're after burgers, chicken, alcohol, kebab, breakfast, American pizza, peri peri, we can go ahead and click see all as well and see all the different types we've got here. We've got if we scroll down all other categories, we've got African, Asia, etc, etc. So let's go back to the main screen. If you want to look for deals, we can click on deals and find the deals that are around your area. Also, we've got free delivery, we've got vegetarian, vegan, etc. So you can check all them if you want to suss out any deals there. So as you can see, deals, but if I want free delivery, it's going to filter by 17 places, matches your filter. Or if I want vegetarian, 11, etc, etc. So now that's on the home screen. Now from the top here, we can look for a certain restaurant or grocery, health or beauty. You can put in a search here. So say, for example, I want to search for pizza. I can search pizza. Now what that's going to do, it's going to give me a list of results near me. So 148 places that match pizza. So I can check out all this by scrolling down. You can see a little bit more about the restaurant here. So we got Irwell Village Pizza, 5 stars, over 110 ratings. We got, yeah, it's pizza and pasta. We can see the delivery time that it will take with a $2 delivery fee and with a £15 minimum order. So if I want to go ahead and order from here, I can. So I'll click into that. So some places, if they're not open, you can schedule delivery or collection for later. So you can do that if you want. So I'm just going to find a shop that's open near me. All right, I might try this one here, Boston News. So if I want to make an order from Boston News, I want to click into it. Now they've got no minimum order and their delivery is $6.99 to $9.99. And at the top here, we can deliver 5 to 20 minutes or pick up open at 11. So I want to do a delivery. Now if I want to scroll down, so if I want to order some beer and cider, I can. So I can have a look at all the different alcohol if I want to order anything like this. All right, so if I want to order this cider cans, I want to click into it. Now it's going to say a 4-pack of 500ml. So I can change the quantity if I want 3 4-packs or 2, and then go ahead and click on to add. This is basically all the same. Ordering for food as well. So from here, I'm going to view my basket. Now it's going to give me a rundown on my order. Now some places, they're going to have special requirements. So if I want to order this basket requires a meal item. So I need to go back to here and order a meal item. So I'm going to have a look at their hot beverages or maybe rice and pasta. Alright, I might order this too. Add this to my cart. Seems like a good mix. Now view basket. Alright, cool. Now I can go to checkout. So with this, I've got my 4-pack of drinks and my Bachelor's Super Noodle Curry flavored 90 grams. Alright, now from here, it's going to tell you the subtotal and also the service fee and the delivery fee. And then you're going to have a total right at the bottom. So it's going to be 28 and 58 pounds. So I'm going to go click on go to checkout. Now, depending on what you order, you might get this. So are you over 18? Because I'm ordering alcohol. So you must have valid photo ID ready to be checked. You accept the order in person and you're not intoxicated. So yes, I am. Now this should take us to the checkout page. So here we go here. So it's got my delivery address here and my name. Add delivery notes. If you want to add some notes in there, add order notes. Got any voucher and discounts, you can add that in there too. Now also we've got the delivery options. So delivery fee is there. How would you like to pay? So now this is where we need to select our payment method. So select that, and now we've got a few different options. So we can pay by bank app, debit or credit card, Google Pay, PayPal, or cash. So say if I want to do cash, I'm going to click confirm, scroll down, and now what I suggest as well, will send you emails, SMS, or push messages to tell you about great Just Eat deals and services. Now if you don't want that, you don't need to set that. Now from here, I want to go in and click on order and pay. I'm not going to make this order and pay because this is just for demonstration purposes. And now one thing I do suggest is to turn on notifications. So if we go back to our home screen here, click on the Just Eat app, click onto I, now click onto notifications and make sure that is set to allowed because you don't want to miss your order. And also your permissions, make sure your location is enabled as well and it doesn't hurt with your microphone. So yeah, make sure those are enabled. So yeah, that's how to use the Just Eat app. Now another thing what we can do inside of the app here, if I go back to the home page here, we can check out all the past orders here. So if you've got any past orders, we can check that out. Also any rewards. So your rewards are going to appear here. Now, if you want to sign up to Just Eats Plus, no subscription required, no automatic renewal after 90 days. The choice to buy another 90 days of free delivery is up to you. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and purchase that. You've got my stamp card, so enter stamp card discount. Order 5 times from a participating restaurant to claim a discount on a future order. So you can click find participating restaurants and apply for that if you want. Now at the bottom here we've got our account. So this is where our personal information is stored, our account credit, also our country. If you want to change your app language, you can. The theme, you can also delete app data if you like. Now we've got useful links here as well. So if you want to become a driver, you can click on sign up to become a courier and go through the process. It probably takes about 15 minutes to 30 minutes to sign up to be a courier, and you need all your legals like your driver's license and all that stuff. And also we can log out and delete your account